Happy Wednesday fashion vlog everyone! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we're gonna do unboxing for this Micheal Kors bag. So I went to the Micheal Kors today and I do the little shopping haul. So come on guys, let's start! First thing that we're gonna do is this tiny bag. So this one is actually I ordered this online and it comes perfectly. You do it nicely, they wrap it nicely, and then this is the bag that includes for that shipping. And here we come guys, actually this one is a gift of my husband for Valentine's, and here's the authentication, and there's have a sling, and everything is wrapped out so that it's not gonna be scratched. So now this is the first time that I order at Micheal Kors because I order and buy online because I'm kind of scared because it might be not real, but this one is authenticated. And look at this, how cute is that? So I'm gonna use this for our Valentine's date and as well as our wedding anniversary. So this is the first one guys. I'm just gonna put it up on there. And then the second one is, actually this one is I'm gonna give it a gift to one of my friends because it's her birthday. So me and my husband decide to give her first because she's a very nice lady and she deserves it. And this is the one guys. Actually I almost don't wanna give it to her because I love this purse, but she deserves it. So this is the one guys, and there's also the authentication, and I don't wanna tell you how much is it, but this is gonna be for her. And look at that, how amazing is that, right? And you can even do as a handbag like this or a shoulder bag, but mostly I like how do we like sling. It's like this or over your head and just do it like this. So I love it. I don't know why I'm back to Micheal Kors again to keep buying some stuff because actually they have a very nice design this time, and I love their design, especially for the purses. So this is the one guys, the second one, and I want to do that. Last one but not the least. So this one is for me, and I bought it this for myself, gift for myself. Then I'm gonna use it this actually on March because of the color. So I love the color and I don't have this color yet in Micheal Kors purses collections, or either my boots or shoes or sandals. I don't have this color and I love it. I seen this when I went to the Micheal Kors. So this is the one guys. It's kind of a little bit expensive, but it's a trendy one. And look at that. How cool and nice is that? And look at this inside. So let's open this. Wow. It's a lot of papers actually. So let's see. Oh, by the way, I want to put it that one. This one like that. Oh. And this is the one. So inside is, here's the Micheal Kors guy stag, but I don't want to show it to you. And this is the authentication, and there's a pocket here inside. I'm just lazy to take it out all of the stuff here, so let's try to take it. And this is how the way it's look like inside. And then I want to close it because this is the one. I love it. Or like this. Like, I love it. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it, my unboxing. And by the way guys, every Wednesday I always promote all of my vlogs. So Monday is about food and restaurant. Wednesday is about unboxing, shopping, and Wednesday is my fashion vlog. Friday is about my travel vlogs, adventures, hotel, restaurant, and places where we went. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked my video. See you soon.